Imagine waking up one morning and realizing your job no longer exists. The company you worked for didn't go bankrupt. It simply replaced your entire department with artificial intelligence. The customer service team? Gone. AI chatbots handle everything. The accounting department? Automated. Even the marketing team is now run by intelligent systems that understand consumers better than humans ever could. It sounds like science fiction, but it's already happening, and within the next decade, entire industries could vanish or transform beyond recognition. So, which ones are first in line? Artificial intelligence isn't just changing the way we live, it's rewriting the rules of the global economy. It's faster, cheaper, and more efficient than humans at many tasks, and it never gets tired, never complains, and never takes a day off. But while AI brings innovation and progress, it also poses one of the biggest challenges in modern history: mass automation. Entire job sectors that once seemed secure are now at risk of being replaced, not by people, but by code. In this video, we'll explore how AI could replace entire industries, the technology behind this revolution, the professions that may disappear first, and what it all means for the future of human work. Because the question isn't if AI will take over, it's how soon. 1. The automation revolution has already begun. The idea of machines replacing humans isn't new. It started with the Industrial Revolution. But AI takes it to a completely different level. While robots once replaced manual labor, today's AI systems are replacing mental labor. They can think, reason, analyze, and even create. Modern AI doesn't just follow instructions, it learns. It can process billions of data points in seconds, recognize patterns, and make complex decisions without human intervention. That's why experts predict that by 2030, AI could automate up to 30% of all jobs globally. Some industries will adapt, others will collapse. Let's break down which ones are most at risk. 2. Industry number 1, customer service. If you've ever spoken to an AI chatbot recently, you've probably noticed it's getting scary good. By 2030, traditional customer support centers might be obsolete. AI systems like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini can already handle customer inquiries with empathy, logic, and speed. Businesses love it. It's cheaper, faster, and available 24/7. Instead of hiring 1,000 human agents, companies can deploy one intelligent system that serves millions of customers simultaneously. In fact, studies show that AI chatbots will handle 90% of all customer interactions by the end of the decade. That means call centers, once employing millions worldwide, could vanish almost overnight. 3. Industry number 2, transportation. Self-driving technology is one of the clearest examples of AI replacing an entire workforce. Truck drivers, delivery workers, taxi operators, these jobs are facing massive disruption. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Amazon are already testing autonomous fleets capable of navigating highways, avoiding obstacles, and optimizing fuel efficiency. Once regulators approve full autonomy, the trucking and logistics industries, worth over $1 trillion globally, could be dominated by AI-controlled vehicles. This doesn't just mean fewer human drivers, it means entire companies, unions, and industries will need to reinvent themselves to survive. 4. Industry number 3, retail and e-commerce. Walk into a grocery store in 2030, and you might not see a single employee. AI-powered systems will manage inventory, track customer preferences, and even operate checkout-free stores like Amazon Go, where cameras and sensors automatically bill your account. Online, AI is transforming e-commerce in ways we never imagined. Algorithms already predict what you'll buy, design ads tailored to your personality, and adjust prices in real time. Soon, product listings, photos, and descriptions will all be created by AI. Marketing campaigns will be launched, tested, and optimized automatically. Essentially, the entire retail ecosystem, from manufacturing to sales, could run on AI with minimal human oversight. 5. Industry number 4, finance and banking. The finance sector is built on data, patterns, and predictions, and AI excels at all three. Algorithms already manage stock portfolios, predict market movements, and detect fraud faster than any human analyst could. Investment firms are deploying AI trading bots capable of executing millions of trades per second, optimizing profits without emotional bias. By 2035, AI could replace analysts, traders, accountants, and even financial advisors. Clients might consult a personal finance AI that tracks spending, manages investments, and files taxes, all automatically. In short, the finance industry could be one of the first to become fully automated. Banks may no longer need massive offices filled with people, just servers filled with intelligence. 6. Industry number 5, media and entertainment. Think AI can't be creative? Think again. AI is now writing news articles, composing music, generating art, and even producing entire films. Tools like Sora, Midjourney, and Runway ML can create lifelike visuals, while language models can write scripts and dialogue indistinguishable from human writers. Media outlets are already using AI to draft reports, summarize trends, and even edit videos. By 2035, entire content studios might operate with minimal staff. An AI handling writing, editing, visuals, and publishing. That means journalists, editors, copywriters, and video producers could see massive displacement unless they adapt to this new creative landscape. But it's not all bad news. AI could also empower independent creators to produce high-quality content faster and cheaper than ever before. 7. Industry number 6, manufacturing and construction. Robots have been a part of manufacturing for decades, but AI is about to make them far more capable. Factories of the future will be fully autonomous, using AI systems to monitor production, perform quality control, and adapt to demand instantly. These smart factories will operate 24/7, optimizing energy use and reducing waste. Even construction is going digital. AI-powered machines can already lay bricks, print houses with 3D technology, and map entire building sites with drones. By 2035, human workers may be replaced by teams of AI robots capable of building entire cities with minimal human input. This could dramatically reduce costs, but also displace millions of skilled laborers worldwide. 8. Industry number 7, legal and administrative work. Believe it or not, AI can now read, understand, and draft legal documents better than most humans. Law firms are already using it to automate contract analysis, legal research, and even case predictions. In the administrative sector, AI assistants handle scheduling, emails, and data entry automatically. What once required dozens of office workers can now be done by a single intelligent system. By 2035, many legal and administrative jobs, paralegals, clerks, secretaries, and assistants, may no longer exist. The office of the future will be lean, efficient, and mostly digital. 9. Industry number 8, healthcare. This one might surprise you. While healthcare will always need human compassion, AI is already taking over diagnosis, imaging, and treatment planning. AI systems like DeepMind and IBM Watson Health can detect diseases with accuracy rates higher than human doctors. Radiology, pathology, and pharmaceutical research will become increasingly automated. AI will analyze scans, blood tests, and genetic data instantly, flagging issues long before humans notice them. By 2035, the administrative side of healthcare, billing, record management, scheduling, will be fully handled by AI. Doctors will focus on care and communication, while machines handle the analysis and logistics. 10. Industry number 9, real estate. In the real estate world, AI is already transforming how we buy, sell, and invest in property. AI systems analyze market trends, predict property values, and even generate 3D virtual tours automatically. Agents who once relied on intuition are now competing with algorithms that can price properties, find clients, and negotiate deals faster. By 2035, entire real estate agencies could run on AI. From property scouting to client interaction, the process might become fully digital. Fewer agents, fewer offices, and far more automation. 11. Industry number 10, education. Teachers won't disappear entirely, but the system around them will change dramatically. AE tutors will personalize learning for every student, analyzing strengths and weaknesses and adapting lessons in real time. Administrative tasks like grading, attendance, and curriculum design will all be automated. By 2035, physical classrooms may give way to AI-driven virtual learning environments, where millions of students are guided by digital instructors powered by large language models. This doesn't mean the end of education, it means a redefinition of it. Teachers will become mentors while AI handles the heavy lifting of instruction and analysis. 12. The industries that will survive. Not every industry will vanish. Jobs that require creativity, emotional intelligence, and human connection will remain, at least for now. Fields like psychology, therapy, social work, entrepreneurship, and art will evolve, not disappear. Humans still crave empathy, meaning, and authenticity, things AI can simulate but not truly feel. However, even these industries will need to integrate AI to stay relevant. Because in the future, success won't come from avoiding AI, it will come from understanding how to work with it. So, will AI replace entire industries? The short answer, yes. The long answer, it already is. From customer service and finance to healthcare and media, no sector is immune to automation. AI is reshaping the global workforce at an unprecedented pace, forcing us to redefine what work even means. But this isn't just a story of job loss. It's a story of transformation. For every job AI replaces, new opportunities will emerge. Jobs that don't exist yet, in industries we can't even imagine. The key to surviving this new era isn't resisting AI, it's learning to evolve with it. Because the future of work won't belong to machines alone. It will belong to the humans who know how to use them. So ask yourself, when the AI revolution comes for your industry, will you be replaced or will you be ready?